Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about a great credit card that can help with your utilization. This is a credit card that I had previously that helped so much with my utilization. This credit card plus some more credit cards that you're going to see in the next upcoming days. This credit card really helped me with my utilization. So I want to tell you guys about it. Now, I posted a video days ago about somebody that's seen a great decrease in their credit score because they use too much on their credit cards. I know I told you guys about the 60 points in 60 days. This person, theirs dropped 60 points. This person needs to desperately come into my 60 points in 60 days so that I can help them increase their credit score even more, because when you guys see drops like this to your credit score, then it means that you're just not doing something right. And the main thing I always tell people, when it comes down to increasing their credit score, I always tell them that they really need to make sure that they keep their utilization in check. And this next credit card is going to be a credit card where you're probably just going to use it just for your utilization. Now, let me show you what I mean by the utilization too. So you guys want to make sure you keep your utilization under that 5%. So if you can see right here, Credit Karma suggests that you guys are to use 0 to 9% on your credit card, or 10 to 29%. Anything over that is hurting your credit, you guys. And if you guys were to go over the 50% or the 74% and go 75% or more, it's really dropping your credit score so much. So I'm so happy that I can tell you guys about this credit card, because it can really help build your credit and make sure that you guys are fixing your utilization. Now, the credit card that I do want to talk to you guys about is the Alpheon credit card. I hope I'm saying it right. I hope I am. This is one of the credit cards where I just got it just for utilization. Years ago, I seen people getting approved for this credit card, and they didn't have it where you can pre-qualify for it, but you can actually pre-qualify for this credit card without a hard inquiry. They did not have that option previously, but they do have that option now. And this credit card, I believe when I got mine, this was over $10,000 for sure when I got mine. And I want to show you guys another approval where somebody was able to get this credit card, and it was approval for $4,500. Now, approval like this, $4,500, some people may think, oh, that's not really anything, that's not enough. But when you guys have poor utilization, that you want to get this credit card plus some of the other credit cards I'm going to talk about in the future, make sure you guys join me for the 60 points in 60 days, because after that I'm going to do a group follow-up where I'm taking you through all these steps and I'm telling you, hey, this is your problem, this is how you fix it, because I'll tell you other credit cards that you can apply for. And just having $4,500 added to your credit reports as a limit and you're not using it, oh my gosh, you guys, especially if you have like lower limit credit cards, this can do miracles for you. So definitely let's look at this additional comment too, where somebody said that you have to have at least a 600 credit score to get approved for this credit card. I would say too, when you apply for this credit card, first see if you can pre-qualify. Don't X yourself out. I know some people say, oh, you got to have this credit score, that credit score. Pre-qualify first, because you never know what they may tell you they will be able to do for you. So let's actually look now with this credit card. It's actually one of those credit cards where you use it for surgery. Maybe you're going to use it for like a cosmetic surgery. That's what this credit card is used for. So for you guys to pre-qualify, remember, pre-qualification is where you can pre-qualify for the credit card, and it's not going to impact your credit score at all. It's not going to be a hard inquiry. It's actually going to be a soft inquiry. But what you want to do is you want to put your first name in, your last name, your street address. You want to put your city, state, and zip code in. And then you want to put your mobile number in. And then too, if you want to provide an alternate number, you can do that. I don't think it's absolutely necessary. Then you want to put your date of birth in, put your email address in, your social security number, and then they want to know how much you are making annually, and then what is your purchase amount. Now, when it comes down to that purchase amount, I had another review where somebody said that they asked for a different amount and then they still was able to get this credit card, but it's for a different one, and you guys will see it. So somebody said they applied and they got approved for $8,200. Their score was $720. I mean, not their score, not $720. Their score was 720, and they asked for $11,000, and then it was able to get $7,300. So I really like this one where they're asking what's your purchase amount. They asked for 1,100 and they got 82. So I want you guys to ask for more than you're going to need. Or whatever you want to get, and then let them give you a different amount. Like, that's the thing I want you guys to do. And then I want you guys to also pick something here. I would probably pick like plastic surgery, because I know that's going to be more money, depending on what you guys are going to get. And then you want to read all of the different things they have for you, the different notices, and then you want to check this box and click agree and continue. Now remember, this credit card is going to be one of those credit cards that you really want to use just for utilization. You really want to be able to get pre-qualified for this credit card so that you can later on fix your utilization. You're not thinking about getting this credit card, you want to spend it. You want to get approvals where they approve you, and then you can not use that credit card, and it can help you with your utilization. Now I know that you guys you probably seen this on your credit reports previously and you didn't know how to fix it, but I tell people you can fix this by just getting pre-qualified for another credit card. And then too, look right here at this comment. I like to show this comment a lot because this is another credit card that I tell people to use for the utilization, and that's the Lexus credit card. So with the Lexus credit card, is you can get approved for a $3,000 credit card, and that's what they got approved for. And then they said they didn't know what they was going to do with this credit card or how they were going to use it. And somebody else that said they was able to get approved for it too. And then I told them to use this credit card for their utilization. That's what I want them to do. I want them to use this credit card for their utilization. That means if you were to spend too much money on other credit cards, the point that you're not using that credit card is going to help you build your credit, because you're going to have a lower utilization. They're going to factor that credit card into your utilization. Now, they do individualize credit cards where they're going to look at the utilization on each credit card, but still, it still can help with your overall utilization. I see people get approved for these credit cards and they actually lower their utilization and increase their credit score. So for a person like this to get a decrease of 60 points, what they want to do is, all they want to do is really just pay down these credit cards or get additional credit cards and don't use them. And that can help increase their credit score and lower their utilization. That's the biggest thing. Now, don't forget, you guys, join me for my 60 points in 60 days. I have the link down below. I'll tell you when I'm going live to do my presentation. If you guys already seen it before, make sure you guys join my membership so that I can help you go through all the steps and I can help you increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. If you guys are having a hard time getting approved for credit cards, getting approved for loans, or you're just having a hard time just increasing your credit score in general, this is something I can definitely help you with. It's 4 different classes we're going to meet up on, and I know that this is going to be something amazing for you, and it can really help you out in the future. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I'm definitely here for you guys. And hopefully you guys are able to get approved for this credit card and it increases your credit score, because it's going to lower your utilization. Like I said, too, my approval was over $10,000, and you can go back and ask them for an increase too. So I really like that. Hopefully you guys get approved. I'll see you guys in the next video.